Hi guys, today we're going to install LED headlight bulbs from Boslla in 2016 Scion TC. I already installed the bulbs in the car. Right now I'll show you how they look and then we'll proceed to the full installation video. The bulbs look great. If you guys like them, I will leave the link in the description. The bulbs are called Bullet B1 and the size is 9012. Inside the box we have a few stickers. And the manual. And here are our bulbs. These bulbs are pretty small, they are almost the same size as OEM bulbs, but they're supposed to be 200% brighter. Bulbs come with the cooling fan in the back, and this is how tabs look like. This is the second generation of the Bullet B1. As you can see, they have 9 small LED chips on each side. The small chip on the right is used to reduce the dark spots in the light pattern. The color temperature is 6500 Kelvin, it's called crystal white light, and each bulb produces 3600 lumens. They're IP67 waterproof and the lifespan is around 30,000 hours. The installation will be very simple, plug and play. So we simply have to remove the previous bulb that we have here, just turn it counterclockwise, and the next step you have to disconnect this connector. And the same thing, first I will install the bulb. You have to match these tabs when you install it. Like this, and turn it clockwise. Now I can connect the connector. If it doesn't work, just turn it around. On this side we'll have to disconnect this tube, and this will provide us a little bit more space. The bulb is located right here, so same idea, counterclockwise, it comes out and disconnected. Find the proper position so that the tabs match and turn it clockwise. We have both bulbs installed, and this is how it looks. The color is very white, and I can say that they're pretty bright. And this is how the light pattern looks on the wall. It looks like that our light is a little bit too high, it's not properly adjusted, and right now we'll lower it. You'll need to use 8mm socket to adjust the light. You can see the light going down. Currently we are working on the right light. So both lights have been lowered, and this is what we get. The adjustment mechanism for the left light is located in the same spot, right here. We'll check the high beam one more time. Just to give you an idea how the new LEDs compare to the OEM, I will install this original bulb and show you how it looks. Alright, here we have our OEM bulb, and this is the new Boslla LED. Definitely the OEM bulbs need to be replaced. Alright guys, one more look at night. This is how much light we get from the Bullet B1. We have plenty of light on the road. Let's try the high beam. One more look at our Scion. Alright guys, our installation is complete. LEDs look great. I'm really happy with the result. I will leave the link in the description, so make sure to check them out. And we'll see you in the next video.